What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I poured in millions of dollars from deving meme coins. And no, I'm not talking about trading meme coins, I'm talking about actually building the coins themselves. This is the exact strategy that made me a lot of money, and trust me bro, you do not want to miss this video. Here's my Phantom wallet, $5.19 million all stacked from meme coin deving. No charts, no guessing, just smart launches on repeat. Stay locked in, I'll break down exactly how I did it. Now, I used to trade meme coins every single day because I was dead broke and I wanted to make a change in my financial position. But every single time I bought inside a meme coin which I thought exploded, it felt like complete gambling and I lost all my fucking money. Just like this coin right here. And the truth is that the traders feeds the devs. And what I mean about that is that all the traders are going to buy in a coin and eventually the coin is going to dump, and the person who makes all the money is the dev because he is the one who launched the coin and he is the one who makes this happen. Now when you dev coins, okay, you decide the rules, okay? You create the supply, the hype, and the timing. That's exactly why I went from trading to deving, because now I can flip $500 into $1,000 on repeat every single day. And by the way bro, by deving your own coins, you lose absolutely nothing. And right now, Solana is above $220 and Bitcoin is fucking pumping. It's the best time to start deving. You need to keep watching. And by the way, this video is for education only. It's not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. Just learn the strategy but don't use it. Cap! Now most people go to Pump.Fun because they think that Pump.Fun is the best option to start deving meme coins. Now believe me bro, I used to dev hundreds of coins every single day when I just started out, but it does not work anymore because Pump.Fun is overcrowded now. Thousands of coins is flooding the site every single day and most are vanishing instantly. So if you dev a meme coin on this platform, the chances of you blowing up a coin is completely 0%. And on top of that, you don't even control your own liquidity because it's Pump.Fun that controls it, not you. So if you are up a couple $1,000s in profits, you cannot even remove that money. But with create token.Io, you are in complete charge. You own everything of the supply. Your token launches straight to Radium, so it's immediately migrated right here and shown to thousands of potential investors to buy in your coin. And by the way, the reach on the Radium DEX is absolutely absurd. You guys will see later on into this video. But that's exactly why thousands of people use create token.Io. It's simply the best platform. Now, how do you even dev a meme coin on the website? Well, on create token.Io, you've got two easy and simple options. The first option is obviously to build and create a coin from scratch. Now, go on X and look for something trending, any narrative that could be turned into a meme coin. For example, where Kyle shows off the customized trend, okay, that could be good. I don't know. Yeah, this is weird, bro. I wouldn't make a coin on that. NBA Youngboy with a fan in New Jersey, that's good too for a narrative. 700,000 views. You know, just anything, right? Once you have a good narrative, come back to the website, invent a name. Okay, for example, just put a symbol. So for example, if you were making an Amazon coin, you would put Amazon for the name and the symbol would be AMZ because the symbol is the abbreviation of the name. Okay, and then just put an image right after by screenshotting anything, and just like that you have your custom coin made from scratch. But the second method though, that's my favorite one because it's the fastest by far and the most profitable. And that's the copy trending coins right here, the third tab. Now all these coins are all buzzing and trending on Pump.Fun. They're all going viral at the moment. All you have to do is just copy them here and it will launch directly to Radium. And since the buyers are already chasing them and there's a bunch of hype linked into these coins, you will see instant traffic and more profits in your fucking coin. I would highly recommend to copy coins to build out that first 6 figures, first 5 figures, anything like that. Alright, let's cut out all the fucking talk. I'm deving a coin right now live so you can see exactly how fast it happens. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website. If you do not have a Phantom wallet, just install it, then click on refresh list, and let's look for a coin to make some money off of. I'm gonna go with the Goat Tower coin because it's October now, so that's trending. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago and a $23,000 market cap. So click on create coin, and then oh shit. Ignore the warning and the block, click on confirm, and then the coin should be copied. You just gotta be patient. 3, 2, 1, boom. And if I go on SoScan, first of all, you guys will see that it's now live and it's on a blockchain, so it's all legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step and this page is pretty straightforward. We're just adding liquidity so the market opens up and your coin can be bought and sold instantly through Radium. This is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create. Now the first step is the amount token A. Just tap the 90% button on the right hand side. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under is for the amount token B. This is basically your first buy into your own pool. You are not losing money here, okay? It's just locked in. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you remove the liquidity later, that Solana comes right back to you, right back in your dev wallet. And yeah, bro. Now I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit above the minimum, just to be safe, and then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the gold coin is now live. Our PNL is at $0, and if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up $221 because people are actively buying the coin on the Radium DEX. That's the power of Radium. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Okay, let me go on full screen for a better visual for you guys. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Oh my god, let's go. It's pumping. It already pumped a lot. We're already up a couple $100. We're at a 1.5k market cap. Things are looking good. The volume is kicking in. Yo, this is absolutely insane. Now guys, do not be emotional. If it goes down, okay, it will always go back up because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on MemeScope, on Axiom, on NeoBullX, on Photon, on every single trading platform. Come on, 50 bucks right in my pocket. And by the way, bro, this is why I love deving coins. If you only make, oh my god, bro, what the fuck? It's pumping so fucking much. Okay, should I dump the meme coin? Actually no guys, I'm just fucking babbling, but it is going up really fucking much, bro. This is insane, guys. You guys are seeing me make money live in action. Like there's no, like bro guys, you guys have to stop procrastinating and start deving, okay? This is exactly why I stopped trading meme coins and I started deving. Now I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump, and I'm gonna be right back when it's time to make some money. Okay guys, I am back. We are pushing $6,000 in market cap, 2.1k in liquidity. The volume is looking good. It's all bullish. We're doing higher highs and higher lows. Things are looking juicy. Now before it goes down and it dumps, let's cash in our profits, okay? So come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And boom, we're up basically $1,700 with a 6.5k market cap within a couple minutes. This is the power of deving coins. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin right after, and then as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 7.4 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and print generation. No, if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made for proof too, boom, $1,700. I am not bluffing. Look at all the money, bro. Wait, it's all real, bro. Like, look, it's there. It's not photoshopped. It's fucking real.